The thrill of riding 125 cubic centimeters motorcycles. In the hustle and bustle of our daily routines, there often comes a yearning for change, a desire to escape the monotony. One way to infuse excitement into your everyday life is by changing gears, quite literally. The 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle series provides the perfect opportunity for this. These bikes are not only easy to ride but also promise a delightful experience that's hard to match. In this video, we explore the world of 125 cubic centimeters motorcycles, focusing on the 2024 Yamaha YZF-R125. Compact and economical, the 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle advantage. The 125 cubic centimeters motorcycles are known for their user-friendly size and low emissions. Their lightweight and compact design make them easy to handle, even for beginners. But the advantages don't stop there. These motorcycles are also highly economical, boasting low maintenance costs and exceptional fuel efficiency. This means that not only will you enjoy the thrill of the ride, but you'll also save on expenses. It's a win-win situation. Yamaha's exciting new offerings. Yamaha, a name synonymous with quality and innovation in the world of motorcycles, has something special in store for you. The 2024 Yamaha YZF-R125 is a shining example of their commitment to excellence. With a blend of style, performance, and technology, this motorcycle promises an exhilarating journey. Let's dive deeper into what sets it apart. Yamaha's participation in Japan Mobility Show 2023. This year, Yamaha Motor is participating in the Japan Mobility Show 2023, organized by the Japan Automobile Manufacturers Association Incorporated. The event is set to take place at the Tokyo Big Site, with press days from October 25th to 26th and general public days from October 28th to November 5th. Yamaha's booth is themed Feel Life, and it's going to be a showcase of innovation and excitement. Feel Life, Yamaha's human-centered approach. In a world where we sometimes feel disconnected, Yamaha's message resonates deeply. They understand the importance of reviving the human spirit, of cherishing every moment, and rekindling the joy of life. Their approach is centered around human possibilities, and their products and services reflect this philosophy. It's about challenging oneself, experiencing new adventures, and exploring uncharted territories. Yamaha YZF-R125 features and benefits. Let's take a closer look at the 2024 Yamaha YZF-R125's features and benefits. XSR125, an upcoming production vehicle for the Japanese market. MT125, another upcoming production vehicle for the Japanese market. YZF-R125, yet another upcoming production vehicle for the Japanese market. These models promise cutting-edge technology, performance, and a sense of adventure that's quintessentially Yamaha.